All right. Good afternoon, and a happy Thursday. Welcome back to Tips from Elaine's Desk. Elaine Proby here, CEO of PROBY'S Tax and Accounting, and Tips from Elaine's Desk. Hi, Joan. Happy Thursday to you, too. Thanks for jumping in here. All right, guys. So today, this conversation is going to be so exciting. I love it. 3 essential keys to reaching your dreams, one budget at a time. And these points are going to be so exciting. I know they're going to be speaking to a lot of us. I just love these points. So guys, hit like and share on this video so that everybody can get this information, right? So the thing about it is the best way to stay on top of your financial affairs and be able to live your dreams one budget at a time, right? And that's by staying on top of your finances. So I'm going to talk about 3 points that's going to assist us with that process. Hit like and share on this video, guys. And thanks for jumping in here. Let's jump right into these points today. Okay. All right. First one is, I love this one, being a minimalist. This is minimizing, and we talked about this, things that we don't need. Embrace that whole idea. You want to simplify your life and reduce expenses that you create unnecessary, right? And a lot of us have a hard time doing this because some of us, as we know, get a little bit too extravagant. However, there's no way that you're going to get to those dreams on a budget if you get a little extravagant. So, minimize certain things in your life. A lot of times you want to start off by just organizing. We talked about this, organizing stuff, categorizing stuff, see what you have, what you don't need. What you don't need to buy, right? So how many of you guys, and I know this happened, I see some people on here. Hey, Lerner, thanks for the heart. Hey, Laverne, hi, sis. I see some people on here that's guilty of this. How many times have you bought the same thing because you didn't know you already had one? I know I'm guilty. I'd ordered 2 things, didn't know I ordered the first one, and then the second one came, didn't know I ordered it twice. How many of you guys have done this? You buy things over and over, and you didn't realize that you already had it. How many times you buy more than you really need? This is just minimizing stuff. And if you have everything organized and categorized, you know what you have, right? So it's like, how many sheets do you need? How many towels do you need? How many glass dishes? How many of that stuff do you need? You go out, you see something. Oh my God, I like the way that look. You buy it again. You buy it again. And before you know it, you have so much stuff that you cannot even afford to use them, right? So this is what it means by minimizing what you have. See what you got, organizing it, making sure that you're not duplicating stuff, right? Duplicating effort. So Joan is guilty. I know. She's laughing. She did this too many times, right? Run through the house and you got duplicated stuff, right? 2 of this, 3 of that, and be like, my God, I just bought this before. So this is the thing, guys. So you want to simplify everything, organize everything. Minimize, break down stuff so you see where you are, and this is going to help you save more money in your budget in order to achieve your dreams. I love this. This speaks to a lot of us, and this is really cool because I know we got a house full of stuff and a room full of stuff and too many of everything that we don't need, and we still continue to buy stuff, right? So hey, I know I'm not the only one. I just love it when Joan, she just admit the whole thing. I know Laverne's not going to say anything, but bought the same thing twice all the time too. All right. So that's the first point, minimalism, guys. It is embracing that and meaning you simplify your life and reduce everything around you and your spending so that you can have more money in your budget to achieve your dreams. Okay. So first point, hit like and share on this video, guys, and let's jump in to our second point today. Hey, Risha, Utah Smith. Good afternoon, Miss Elaine. Good afternoon, Risha. Thanks for jumping in. Second one, this is so important, guys. Automation is the second point. So you want to automate things like your savings, things like your investments. You want to make sure that you have this set on automation. If you don't automate stuff and you said, I'm going to do it with my own willpower. Let's say you have $1,000 and you decide that you're going to break it up and save some, spend some, and do all this stuff. You have too many choices. What happens when we have too many choices? A lot of times we make the wrong choice. So if it's not an automation and we have this money in our hands and we're going to decide how we're going to split it up and what we're going to do with it and what we're going to save, it may not quite happen that way. So if you have it in automation, you have your savings automated. This much money goes here. This much money goes into my budget for travel. This money goes into my emergency fund. This money goes into my investment fund. If you have it automated where everything is broken out and it's automatically going there, you don't have to manually do it. Because look, how many of you guys, once again, follow those instructions? If you have it in your hands, then you're going to do something with it, that you're going to set it aside or put it in savings. Before you know it, something happened. You decided to do something else you really didn't need to do with that money just because you had a choice, right? So I love the automated part of it. Keep different accounts open, right? This one is going to pay the bills, pay them automatically, so you're not running the risk of late fees, paying unnecessary fees. Automatic payments, automatic savings, automatic investment, automatic money for your travel, whatever that is. And if you do it like that, guys, I guarantee you, you will find out there's more going to happen, more money going to go into those accounts. Your budget is going to look so much better. You'll be able to achieve your dreams so much easier. And it is not like you don't have the money. It's just what you do with it, right? What we do with it, how we do with it, and when, right? That's the key. That's the whole thing. And most of us is not that disciplined. Say, admit it. Today's plug. Thanks for jumping on here. All right. Please tell them. All right. So yeah, so that's the second point today. And we want to make sure that we follow these instructions because, hey, we're all guilty of not doing any of this right. Third point today, hit like and share on this video. Thanks for jumping on. Hit like and share on this video. And we're talking about 3 essential keys for reaching your dreams one budget at a time. Perfect. Okay, so third point, mindfulness. No, you have to be very mindful. You want to incorporate mindfulness in everything you do. And mindfulness is being present in the moment. Being present in the moment, paying attention to what you do. Again, making purchasing decisions. If you're not mindful of what you do, just like I said earlier, you might be doing things over, duplicating stuff because you're not mindful, you're not paying attention, you're not aware of your actions all the time. So sometimes we do things out of impulse. We do things out of emotion, right? Our emotion tells us to do certain things, spend certain money. You know, maybe we're purchasing large items. Maybe we didn't need it at that moment because we're not mindful of our spending habits. This is very, very important, guys. We have to be mindful of all we are doing. Stay focused on everything that you do. Set your goals and stick to them. This is so important. We set goals. And, you know, I mean, I was telling someone the other day that I used to say that I'm going to save next month or save next year. And, you know, back in the days, you just get money, you spend money, and you get money and you spend it, and you figure you got time to save. And, you know, every month you're going to save more and do more. But you don't. So if you set those goals, stick to those goals, you're going to be savings and set things up automatically. Just do them, right? Just let's get busy and make sure that it happens. This is going to help us to achieve our dreams one budget at a time. Okay, so those are my 3 points. Once again, very simple.